Shalom, I'm Angel.
I'm Todd.
Welcome to our channel, Listen and Obey. Shema, Yisrael, Yahuwah, Eloheinu, Yahuwah Echad. Yahweh is one. And this is a new playlist that we have, that we are starting today. And we're going to be covering the lies that we were taught in churches over the years. And
It's as simple as that?
Messianic assemblies, and things that we've had to unlearn, basically, because what we were taught,
The Berkson model.
because what we were taught does not agree with what's in the Torah, and we're going to go over that. So hope you come along with us for the ride.
Be sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Yahweh bless you and keep you and give you shalom. Until next time, Yahweh bless.